How to join Fortnite's official Discord server. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll all the way down and click on this option right here where it says Discover. Now from here you're gonna have to go on the search button and you're gonna have to search up Fortnite. Then once you do that, it should say official Fortnite. Just click on that. Click on join official Fortnite server. Click on start. It should take a while. It should ask you what country you are from, so just click on the country you're from. Click on next. What do you play on? Click on next. Click on what are your preferred modes. I'm gonna go with Battle Royale. Now scroll down. Make sure you read the rules and click on finish. It should take a while and it should send you to the Fortnite Discord server. And as you guys can see, there's people typing in chat. You just gotta wait 10 minutes. You could also look for games. You could also play with people. You could do whatever you want. You also have voice chat where you could meet new people and still play with them. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.